Alright, let's begin. Man, that's slowed. Shit. I mean, hopefully it's not so bad that it's not so bad tonight. Hello, hello, hello. Alright.
Can't escape me.
Okay. I really want to try that rage bit. A Teemo? Really? Fuck. Teemo. Alright. I didn't want to do it.
It's not how much time you have. It's how you use it.
To this? I don't want this. Yeah, that's... Alright, watch me feed my life out and get angry. Shit. It's a country or stars. My god, Lich Bane. If I can. Timo is going to be fucking with me.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift. "30 seconds until minions spawn."
Oh yeah, I can do this. I guess I can build this first. Probably this. But yeah, there's only one E. So yeah, I'm gonna go.
Minions have spawned.
Hold on. Oh, we just got to the follower. Oh, hey, what's this? Izim, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. Yeah, you shouldn't be joking about the coronavirus. It's really serious in Delhi. I have family who works the front lines, so that's something I like to joke about. Oh, big up yourself. Thanks for the support. Huh?
Waiting for this.
Alright. Yeah. Way too big. On it on.
This is for my city.
Yasuo isn't the best champ. Like, I mastered Yasuo, but I can't play him this season. Well, personally for me, not the best champ. I've seen other people do a lot of stuff with him. And plus, they just buffed the zeal, so...
Hey, wake up!
Alright. Batty boy Timo. Point and click.
Oh, you the type I don't like.
Not going aggressive. That's surprising.
You're killing my vibe.
Oh,
Come at me.
your asshole, yo. Shit. Alright, alright. Alright.
This will be over real quick. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Heads up. Off with you.
An ally has been slain.
Oh come on. People stop feeding. Dirty bumbles. Gotta hate that.
Line them up.
Yeah, you speak. Oh.
An ally has been slain.
Hold up. Let me figure out which reality I'm in.
Alright, that's better. Yeah, he's already beat me. Great. Can't see us. Oh, that's cool.
My streets weren't no joke. Where you think I got beasts this low?
Mine. 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 Ah! Why am I so bad at this?
I play to win. No sweat.
Alright. Ras! What the fuck? Fuck. Alright. Probably shouldn't have used teleport. Probably could have saved it. Alright, so if I can't fight him, I'm gonna have to.
Know my name.
Oh, the troll Teemo. Alright. Maybe I can go on him. Why am I so terrible? Jeez.
An enemy has been slain.
Step up.
It's squishy. I have no idea where Teemo went. Should be sitting in the bush for all I know.
Yeah, cue up my theme music.
Yeah, they're probably at the
Fly. Till I die.
Jesus Christ. I'm gonna need some help.
Stardom chases me.
I'll later room. And they're getting fed.
Okay, I've been doing this. Style on this fool.
So there is a ward in there. At least we know now.
Shut down.
We all gotta hustle.
So they're probably going to go for it soon.
my stage.
Just trying to go to Triforce. Alright, so Team Ultra built Triforce, alright.
Check this out.
I wasn't even worth it. I'm gonna step out of my goddamn range.
This is how I do.
Alright, let's see if we can gank someone. Oh no, you.
An ally has been slain.
Nice. Nope. The Cogma mid. Over here, bro. What is Kog'Maw doing? Alright, go through.
Hang
Ooh.
tight. I gotta fake the
An enemy
space
has
time
been
continuum.
slain.
This is for my city.
My gauntlet.
Music ain't just music. It's life.
I think I spelled dope wrong. I can't even spell right. I'm supposed to be a youth with a college degree to your ass. I probably should go into that tonight. Yeah! Dude! That's not what I meant! Oh, frig.
Shut down.
Gotta love Soraka, sir.
Will soon fall.
My style, wild and free. My
Swear to God, Soraka.
Killing
Wait up.
spree.
stairs.
Oh, nice! Yeah, go for it. I can't win top lane anyway.
Don't pray for me, pray for my enemies. That's how I don't like.
Shoot! Oh, shoot! Yo!
Hold up. Let me figure
At least we save Ignite, but John, no, bro. Any one of these.
straight to the top.
Let's get some free hits in. Where?
To all the haters who bet against me, y'all keep
An
hating.
enemy has been slain.
Don't trip.
Alright, where else can I go? Oh, come on. I think guys,
Thank me.
mushrooms everywhere. This thing is a drug dealer. Ooh, a while.
No life better than mine. Nothing I can't
Screw
do,
you, Timo.
no one I can't beat.
Rampage.
Come at me.
Yeah, if I'm in a jungle, I suffer. Ah, shit.
Listen up. True. Heads up. This will be over real quick.
Alright.
My time is now.
There's a missing Timo, you know. A missing Timo is not a fun Timo.
Unstoppable.
Oh, grab it.
Tagging is an art. And every piece I make, I leave a piece of my heart.
Oh, right.
You have slain an enemy.
Yo, this jungler. The man is amazing.
Off with you.
An ally has been slain.
Right. Let's drop it here. Nice.
Your turret has been destroyed.
All right. Grass.
Put your pride aside.
But to referral is nice.
Hang tight. I gotta fake the space-time continuum. Lot of
And that dragon. Yo, who is this jungler? Please, I'm crying.
Dominating.
I guess I'm not going to be angry.
Double kill. Shut down.
Imagine a world where no one was fronting.
Alright, so now I can join in. You know what? Screw that.
Wait up.
Wrong button. Let me see if I can take out this tower real quick. It looks like a free throw to me. Who knows? What do I know? I'm just bronze. Yeah, I was wrong. I was definitely wrong. Me bombo clot. You no. Ras, leave me alone. Yeah, it wasn't a free throw. I was wrong. I was lying to myself. Ah, there's like a couple hits left in it.
Y'all better watch out for my comeback.
Has destroyed a turret.
Praise gave me mine. I got no one to spite. My mama raised me right.
Alright, so they're gonna attack speed team.
Nothing comes easy. That's why I do what I do.
Shut down.
Alright, cool.
Stay fresh.
Takes so long. No, I am the one feeding. Yeah, don't fight him, don't fight him, don't fight him, don't fight him. Back off. That wouldn't make any sense if you fight him. Seriously.
Been a minute since I took an L. Mistakes come up, ain't no question. I'd rather take risks than lose my expression.
What's your funny? Yeah, that's already dead, so let's leave it. Make sure you help it. Ooh, let me run in for that fight. Oh no. I love it.
Didn't act in vain, I changed the game.
Fuck off. Oh shit. Did not see her there. Dirty girl. Ult! No, the ult!
Triple kill. Enemy double kill. Ace.
Okay, we need to focus that Lux. Yeah, we're not in mid to fight yet, which is by itself amazing and hilarious.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Can I get it? Auto, for sure.
Run it back.
Nah.
Super fresh wherever I go.
I'm gonna have to keep my teleport and not teleport in stupid ways.
I am the future.
Get ready for a teleport. Get ready for a teleport. Get ready for the teleport. Get ready. I don't want to know. Alright, here we come. Woo!
You played yourself.
Has been destroyed.
What the frig?
Yeah, cue up my theme music.
You still not dead?
Can't touch me.
God, that stun lasts so long. But I mean, she fires it predictably. For me, not dodging is really shows that I'm really bronze.
My heads are held high, but my feet are on the ground.
All right. Yeah, go Fiona. Oh, she's boom.
Ally has been slain.
That was the worst. They're really going for my tower. I really make it an Ash split push on us twice. Oh, I got the tower. Nice. Yeah, you're screwed, nigga. Rush.
I better watch out for my
Shut
comeback.
down.
Ass.
Down.
My rhymes teach lessons beyond adolescence.
Yeah, I'm not taking it.
I wasn't born a golden child, but my music about to change lifestyles.
You go for it. I'm gonna push out. Like the guy said. Oh, I'll find those bit.
Down.
There's Warwick. Been looking for you. No, you're not gonna win, girl. You're not gonna win. No. You wanna come too? Bitch.
Enemy double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Been looking for your ass, look.
Washed up. Man, my kick's been stuck.
I'm gonna feel back to you all.
Your team has destroyed.
Yeah, before I escort this guy. I need 300 more points, so I'm just going to push. Get the farm. My farm is like shit right now.
Check this out. What you got, huh?
One more build, and I should be able to fight extensively.
An enemy has been slain.
Alright, they're fighting again. Alright, they're fighting again. They don't need me. Yes, they do. Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go, my girl?
Killing spree.
I tried to get him off. That didn't work out for me. I'm dead. I mean, not bad.
Have been slain.
Not bad for the amount of people we had. I don't know why Kog'Maw is doing his own thing. I mean, it's going to force them to turn back.
Down.
Dead.
Has been slain.
Been a minute since I took an L. I'd rather be myself than please anyone else.
All right. Nice.
I'm ahead of my time. A second.
Hello. Just put that for a second.
Don't trip. I don't follow trends. I can make it.
Has been slain.
Really, you got sniped, my boy. Fuck off.
Enemy rampage.
Hello, Lux. Hello.
Been slain.
And my girls come in and stole my kill after all that work. On to them people here. What's your name, man? Vayne.
Shut down. Your turret has been destroyed.
Run it back, run it back. I'm gonna come up.
I need at least one damage item. I think I can do that.
I invent to create new horizons, opening minds from iron to diamond.
Shit! No, I can't manage it. I can't manage it. That's way too many people. Yeah, we lost. Yeah. Where is Cog? Cog is not.
Team has destroyed an inhibitor. Your turret has been destroyed. Your inhibitor has been destroyed. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Clutch on this one is insane.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Yeah, that Cog split way too much. I mean, Cog was doing great, but the fact that he just never helped us in any other fights, we just never had all of our DPS, and I'm kind of pissed off about it. Yeah, like his push was great, but he kept doing it. Right, there needs to be a balance if you're gonna split push. You need to split push to a point and then you come back to the team. And then help the team. You know, split. That does not help us whatsoever. In the long run. Because if all of them are teaming up and fighting us and killing us off, they would be more likely to take their objectives much faster than you one doing it behind the scenes. Oh boy. What farm am I climb from? Although we're gonna
Can escape me.
was way too much miniature.
Death is like the wind, always by my side.
Swap, please.
Let's do this.
Oh, fuck, it's a queen. Wait, it might be a queen jungle. Or, no, it's a queen top. Urgot mid. Warrior jungle. Let's remember that bird. That's alright. So you have queen top. That's right. Well, I mean, Urgots it might be an issue. Grabs and throw me. Stun him. Thank you for if I'm going against Urgot. I'm gonna win. Alright, so I have 3 things here, so alright, I have 2. Interesting. Alright, then I can't stop now. Jesus.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift. Seconds until minions spawn.
Alright, I'm going to be doing this based on who comes up to me. Because if it's Quinn, I'm definitely, well, I think it makes sense to just start with the E. So I can counter them either way, because I think all of our abilities are just counter strikes.
Now everyone can walk in the shadow of Jax.
I say it is Quinn. Oh boy.
Feels great to charge in the family.
Focus on farming.
First blood.
Grass, good job, you. Good job. Go up here. Let's farm under the tower like the bitch we are. Sorry if you're a bitch. Woo! Wrong jump! Jump at the wrong time.
This outlaw better not slow me down.
What was that? Oh.
This outlaw can barely contain my
It's kind of funny that she's been abusing me so much, but don't have the farm.
3 kingdoms, 1 Jax.
Yeah, she's like at 16. She's just the same farm as me, and I'm the one that's being abused.
Hey, this thing looks just like me. Win, I guess.
Marine.
I feel like a real Jax.
Alright, let's go. Sorry for Kendry that she died there. I honestly didn't. I was more focused on not dying than I was trying to help out.
Valor.
Whew! Peace!
This is the best thing since boiled eggs.
An ally has been slain.
Everyone ought to give this pilot thing a
An
try.
ally has been slain.
Nice. Oh, nice. Payback, I guess. No, 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 bitch. God, I hate her. Yeah, okay, ooh. Alright. I have to leave. I'll be back with my cutlass. Shark boy and then blood Clyde.
Engines roar.
Yeah, this guy knows he's. Ooh. Yeah, everybody dead there, son. So where's Yasuo?
Double kill.
There's more to me than meets the eyes.
Oh, she don't have our ultimate yet.
What can I say? I was never a fan of stealth.
Sorry, we.
This is just what I need to get around town.
Come on, farm. Push compressor.
Look how big I am.
That was smart, I guess.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
God, she's aggressive. Can't do that shit about it.
Jax.
It's so aggressive. Aggressive. I mean, people are also counter the most of the.
Make way for me.
Just to counter our asses. Drop your ult, drop your ult.
This Avalon, I knew it was made for a hero.
Right. You didn't see that, guys. You didn't.
This thing looks just like me.
Lord.
Killing spree.
The lion's head was my idea. Perfect, right?
So she's been little rinking too. Alright. I need $11 for my
An ally has been slain.
butt guard.
This is what I call a warrior stride.
I had to burn my flash there, because she get any more free hits on me, I would have died.
3 kingdoms, 1 chance.
I know I said I wanted to go Echo, she wouldn't be able to counter me.
Turret plating will fall soon.
Losing feels like.
An ally has
Look behind you. Can everyone do this?
been slain.
No.
Killing spree.
When I not that, dead light dog.
Can't believe I used to fight with a lamppost. It'll be hard to
Alright. So no farm,
been
no
destroyed.
kills.
There's more to me than
No idea where this chick is. There she is. Came up with a bleeder ranking. And I need $700 more for mine. Alright. Alright.
my footprints must be huge.
Probably level 12, not it? Yeah. 2 levels above me. Yeah, I can't actually help.
I was never a fan of stealth.
Alright.
The view from up here is incredible.
Blood! Fire! You hit that jump?
Shut down.
Yeah, shit. I have to leave.
An ally has been slain.
But stay, I'm definitely going to die. Whoa! Oh, God. Can I get a little help up here? I mean, I'm a losing lane. So make sense he helps me.
Your turret has now
Like all our lanes are pushed in. Wow. Please tell me can kill that Yasuo. Come on, man. Look at ult.
What do they call these?
Your turret has been destroyed.
Jesus Christ. There's so many shit going on all at once right now. You're in late game, bro. I'll kill me there anyway. Alright.
I love how these
Has been slain.
Yeah, remember where you're picking from.
An enemy has been slain.
This is just what I need to get around town.
An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Gosh. Alright, let's go.
This thing, whatever that means. Feels great to charge in a battle like this.
I should go bot lane. I need to really get this farm up as high as I can. We got no dragons, none.
The view from up here is incredible.
I mean, I have teleport, so I can.
Three kingdoms, one chance.
slain. Kill.
Why didn't you choose to fight without me? I killed 2 people. Oh boy.
Your inhibitor has been destroyed.
Oh boy. The camera. I don't know when I start a fight 3v4 5. Like, why would you do that? He's gonna do his call me or something. I teleport ready. My word. Then they're gonna blame me for not being there. Like, you see me under-leveled, under-farmed. I'm literally trying to get myself ready to fight. You just delay the fight as long as you can. Don't run into them, plant your face into them. They're going to kill you. I don't know why people playing this game can't just view the situation as if you have a knife and somebody else has a gun. You're not going to run face first into the person with a gun. You're going to drag out the fight so you can get to stab them. Oh boy. I really need to learn how to carry. I can't even jungle in this. Well, not in this Elo. Probably when I reach silver, I can start jungling again. Because my playstyle is just dependent on everybody just doing their job. And just one person failing. And when everybody fails, the whole thing just falls apart. So if you're from the jungle, top lane is feeding, mid lane is feeding, and bot lane is feeding, you're like, what you guys expect me to do? I can't help losing lanes. I need lanes that are trying at least know what they're doing. And I can push them even further ahead to get us there. Alright. Man, when you're playing this game, you have to play really selfish. Don't play selfish, you're just going to end up like that. Just going to end up like that. When I mean selfish, I mean don't mean too selfish. Like, that Kog'Maw in that last match, he was playing perfectly fine. But he was playing way too much selfish. Where if he came and like helped the team out after they pushed and got in him, then we could have pushed them back in and forced them to like the Warwick was saying, that force them to defend that inhib, and then we could have pushed in mid lane, and then we could have pushed in top lane, and then we could have gotten a burn and then win. But nah, this nigga just wants to just keep pushing because he thought he could just win on his own. Why were they there dying? Ah, man. Greg. Alright, it's the Warwick again. Alright, so Nunu jungle. Alright. Let's again Jax again. Really? Another queen? I need Shiban Echo. Ah, frig. I can't fight. Who else do I have that could fight her?
Dead man walking.
Alright. Yeah, basically. Project Warwick. This way. Okay, so this guy has no idea what to use it. No idea. Really hate when players do. I mean, I've done it in certain situations, but the things that I don't know none of that. So I'll let them make the
Easy, partner.
You know, Graves is built to be from the Wild West. Him and Twisted Fate.
Summoner's Rift.
I don't know why they don't give both of them High Noon skins. That kind of makes no sense.
30 seconds until minions spawn.
Like, Misfortune and Gangplank are supposed to be pirates, and each of them are captains of their own ship. So you have skins that correlate to that theme. So you have Captain Misfortune or Captain Fortune, and you have Captain Gangplank skins. Makes sense. Why don't you have High Noon Graves and High Noon Twisted Fate?
Minions have spawned.
Optimism and rainbows. Get that out of here.
Try me.
Alright, the bright side is that we can outrange her, or we can dash away from her to dodge her lightning. Move your dirty blood clot, bitch. Can I get some free off of me like that?
Go ahead. I like darkness.
Play work. Yeah, man. Come trade, man. Come trade.
They've been a long fight. Like a fish in a barrel.
You blind me, I blind you, bitch. Probably go lethality. This much. And
This is a tickle. Fluffing.
First love.
who's that? Oh, nice.
An enemy has been slain.
Oh, Zine.
An ally has been slain.
Aggressive, alright.
Go ahead.
Ah, shit. That was smart. And that was quick, Twina. I didn't even see him. I don't see anything like, oh, bitch. Alright, fair. You got me there. Congrats. You got me there. Well played. That really frightened me. Or, in English term, startled. Startled.
An ally has been slain.
Yeah, they basically got lucky then.
Like a fish in a barrel.
Alright, so to come back with alright.
An ally has been slain.
Alright. I want your cutlass.
Always trouble.
Huh. Alright, give me the ceiling thing. God, that thing scared the shit out of me. So we're virtually even. And I'm keeping her at bay with the fact that she knows that if she blinds me, I can also blind her. And I can just dash away out of her range if she has to come up closer to me. And I can just put a bomb down or my Q. So it makes it difficult. If she come up to me, she's going to also get damage. By the time all of that is finished,
What are you playing at?
I should be unblinded. Using the same exact rules. Same exact rules as the last one. I'm gonna have to roam heal. You shouldn't, when you're playing Grave, you shouldn't just burst out all of your bullets. Keep them in burst one at a time. Alright, back in season 9, I think, or season 8. I should climb to silver using
slain.
Valor.
Go ahead. I like moving targets.
Double kill.
Brass, go through bot lane.
Let's settle the score.
Shut down.
Oh wait, no.
Feeling lucky.
Oh no.
Easy, partner.
Eyes in the sky.
They picked the wrong. Miss.
There's blind for blind. Oh yeah, I'm screwed.
Slain.
I'm screwed. I was hoping that Ignite would back her, make her back off. But it did not, just made it worse. Did you even get an assist on that? Yeah. Mid. Mid.
I ain't got time to believe.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
What? Never mind.
Easy, partner.
Oh, go on, man. Yo, where is mid? Stun our blood clot, yes. Thank you.
You have slain an enemy. Enemy rampage.
Fish in the
He's still dead. I can get some free hits on this. Come on, give me some coins. Coins! Yes, that's a coin down. Rascalot. 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 Nigga, I have my own problems right now.
Slain.
Save you, Willem. I'll save you.
got any bright ideas?
I can.
An enemy has been slain.
No, he's pissed.
Always
Because I didn't help. I'm like, you saw the chick approaching me. What do you expect that was going to happen? Come on! What's with everybody in this elo? Like, why we can't find one team where them just do them fucking job? Why we just can't find one team where you just don't feed? You just understand, say, okay, I'm going to lose, so let me play safe. Nope.
An ally has been slain.
Go for the eyes.
Let's settle the score.
I kinda like any of these people are good. Like this queen has so many points in her champion, but I cannot play her. Or I can at least play safe.
Think I'm bluffing.
And this mid lane is roaming everywhere. Everywhere.
Shut down.
Ah, fuck it. I'm going damage. I'm gonna carry this. I'm tired of this shit. Pretty tired of this shit. I'm going static shiv into a Blade of the Ring King. Because fuck these people. I mean, I'm tired of it. I'm doing my own thing at this point. That should give me my Blade of the Ring
An
King.
enemy has been slain. Will soon fall.
I was hoping I should see it in front of me and fight me.
Double kill.
Thank you. We're gonna win one fight. One fight finally. Come on, come on. Damage me, I go. I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired of this shit.
Easy partner.
Come now. Come fight me. Come fight me. Tired of you. Time to bring out the old guns. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm screwed. I am so screwed right now. I am so screwed. Woo!
An enemy has
I should have kept running. Yeah, I should have kept running. Because she gave up on me. Nah, dog. Want a zeal. Bring it. I didn't know zeals cost. Ah. Alright, cool. Seriously?
enemy has been slain. Rampage. Your turret has been destroyed.
I ain't got time to.
Oh, where's someone helping her? Nah. Yo, make sure to kill that thing before it reaches the tower.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Yeah, man. We need to start pushing back. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of calling on my boots. Time for me to reload my gun. Man, I yard, man. I know the gun thing play out. I can reload my gun. I'm tired of this shit. Tired of this shit in this halo.
Try.
That's so helpful.
An ally has been slain.
She's coming here, isn't she?
Your team has destroyed.
Come on. Tired of this shit. Oh yeah, they're definitely coming from me now. Obviously coming from me now.
Your turret has been destroyed.
You know, I probably can't fight this chick. She only has 2 items and no farm.
Got any bright ideas?
Oh, y'all muted! But done with the fuckery.
They picked the wrong fight.
Go cut up and fight that bitch. I'm angry. I'm tired. Don't they see me? No, she's coming down here. Alright, so she has. Ooh.
Dominating.
Let's
Oh.
settle the score.
Right back up. Push it up.
Shut down.
In that case, she knows that she was going to die, so she never saw the point. So go on, do your thing, youth. Help us here, help us. Come on, how you lose it?
Enemy double kill.
How can you lose it? Kill off them blood clots. Can't believe we just lose the fucking dragon. Kill him. Good. Push out mid lane. Now we can go and push out top lane. Sick and tired of shit.
I ain't got time.
But I'm getting hungry. Oh, couldn't burst her enough. Yeah, like that. How much should we get this gauntlet? 750. Alright.
Easy, partner.
I roll my face across this keyboard now.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Why do you need to go out there?
Try me.
Alright, we can call this Baron. Alright, cool. Push out top lane.
Easy, partner.
Yeah man, everybody split up, yeah. But now I gonna notice a wild graves on your goddamn tower, don't it? Keep them busy if you can, keep them busy if you can.
Got any bright ideas?
Come on, sir, that's all. Alright, we'll go to here. Come on. Only had my ignite on me.
Gallium Valor.
And alright, no, we can get the zeal.
An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
Nice!
Double kill.
Yeah, I get this dragon.
Score.
Yeah, we can't wait for them come back and try to get this steal this dragon or some shit. If I shoot even going on the drone or top lane. Alright, no one to spawn. That's a cube, I guess.
Time for games.
Momo Claude!
Has destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Lol, did my job still enough? Quadra kill. Yeah, I'm squishy. That no matter in the long shot. GG.
Rampage.
Easy, partner.
Victory.
Alright, cool. Yeah, more tokens. President is finding why we perform server maintenance as the AD server maintenance. Really? Oh, lol. Just when I'm trying to rank. There goes my stream. I might stop the stream and then start it up again in a different game. If you is up. Here's some yeah, 16 mark around, that's nice actually. Wait, how much out of it? I mean, yeah, but you don't want that. Yeah, nah, I would go with this one. I would definitely go with this one. Fine. Oh no, it's 16 GB ROM. Oh, here I'm thinking it was a 16 GB RAM. But see, 2 GB kind of shitty still. Oh, it's $100. I think that should be enough. Alright, Um, what you Alright, so I guess we're gonna have to end the stream there since I can't rank. Training grade. Although I did say the skin unexpected. Oh yeah, and I was getting that Mafia Graves off still. Alright guys, thank you for coming in. I'll be angry maybe in the next hour or so for another game. Who knows? We'll look out for that. Thank you for coming.